In this video, I show you how to fix AirPlay not working. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. If you're finding that AirPlay isn't working when you open up your control center and maybe you try and screen mirror by holding here, maybe the device isn't showing up, or alternatively, when you want to go and share some music, isn't showing up there either, then I'll go and give you some fixes. So firstly, just go to the other device that you're trying to go and AirPlay to, make sure that it's properly turned on and connected to the Wi-Fi, and also just make sure that AirPlay is actually visible on the device. What I mean by that, when you go to the AirPlay settings on that device, sometimes there's the setting where you need to go and make sure AirPlay is actually enabled, so that device is then visible. The next thing I recommend doing is making sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. So if you've got any like internet boosters in your house and things like that, make sure you're actually on the same Wi-Fi booster as well. To do that on your device, just go and open up your settings, go to Wi-Fi and just make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network. And also what I recommend doing as well is even when you're on the same Wi-Fi network, sometimes it's worth turning your Wi-Fi on and off. So tap on Wi-Fi and just switch it off like so, wait a few seconds and turn it back on, and then make sure of course you go and join the same Wi-Fi network once again. I'll need to change mine now. Now you can try and see if you can go and connect to the device via AirPlay. However, if things still aren't working, then what I think is a really good thing to do is just fully turn off and restart both devices. So that includes your phone and the other device that you're trying to go and connect to. So for the other device, don't just go and put it on sleep mode. I'd recommend fully taking it out of the wall outlet, let it power down for like 10 seconds and then plug it back in. And do the same thing on your iPhone. To go and restart an iPhone, all you need to do is quickly and consecutively press the increase volume button, then the decrease volume button, and then just hold the power button, and you'll then see the option to go and slide the power off, but just keep holding the power button and then your device will start the restart process. And that is going to go and fully restart your iPhone. Definitely worth doing that, or alternatively you can just turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on. To do that, you hold the increase volume button and the power off button on the right hand side, and then you can slide to power it off, but you have to wait sort of 10 seconds for your phone to shut down, and then you can turn it on just by holding the power button. Or you can just do that restart method which I just told you a few seconds ago. And after you've gone and restarted your device, it should then be working. If things still aren't working, then just make sure you are close to the device. And the other thing you can go and try as well is by restarting your Wi-Fi router or your router, as that may be the thing causing the problem. But there we go guys, I hope you did find this guide useful. If you did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.